will talk about how can you find networks uh, on your wallet app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on networks, you just click on it. You come to this list and there you will find all networks you have. Can you add this networks here? So, or can you add it here in this list? Can you add network name? And here URL or chain ID here, can you add it in this list and add here network or add network. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,